Welcome to Chapman Grand. In this video, we will be going over the move-in processes as you prepare to move into your Chapman Grand apartment. Enter through Mason Lane and drive in through the parking lot where there will be Residence Life staff to direct you where to park. Once parked, and before you unload your things, take the elevator or walk to the first floor and exit the parking structure to the lobby area to check in and get your RIF form paperwork. Once you've received your paperwork and checked in, head into the lobby where you'll take your ID card to be encoded so you can have access to your apartment. Mail. For more information regarding mail services, please check your move-in memo sent to your Chapman student email or check in with an office assistant staff member. Moving carts. Carts will be available to students for 1 hour to assist with moving. A driver's license will be required as collateral to check out a cart. Carts will be located outside of the lobby. Trash. Please do your part to keep our community and home clean. We will have large trash bins outside of the building, as well as 2 trash chutes on each floor. If you have any questions, please reach out to your RA or a Residence Life professional staff member. We are excited to see you all at Move-In.